CMZTrades here. We're down 3,000 folks going into week 2. We're not sweating it. We're not worried. We're not worried. We're trading the plan. I'll tell you what, I'm okay with this. These were good stops. What I mean is, look, we didn't overtrade. 2 trades. Actually, this was 1 trade because that second or the first trade was a misfire. That's what this is right here. So we're not over trading our entries though. And there's only so much I can say about bad entry. I mean, we kind of traded the plan, folks. And this happens. I mean, you can see right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trades. Or really, 3, 4. 4 out of 5 green trades from here to here. And that represents, the 7th to the 8th. So here, these 3 days, 5 trades, 4 of them, all green. I mean, down here, this is 2 trades and 2 trades red. We hit another streak like this and we're going to be up 2K for the week. It can happen just like that. So but we don't have a plan to our target. We don't have a target. We just trade the plan. And we're going to see what happens here, folks. The whole point of this challenge is to consistently trade the plan 100 times. And then we're going to use that data to modify the plan so that we can test it again. We want the plan to get to a point where month to month, on average, we bring in $10,000 or more. And that's all we need. After that, we can increase the profits in other ways. We don't have to risk more. We don't have to trade more. We follow the same strategy, and we're going to get into some ways we can multiply our profits. But right now, basic. We've mapped out a strategy. We've mapped out a plan, and we're trading it. So we're going to get right to it today, folks. We're looking at the charts. We're in Tuesday. We've taken 1 trade. We got time. We got a lot of time left. The day just started, the new trading day at 3 p.m. So we're like an hour or something, a couple of hours into the new trading day. Let's find a trade. I'm going to go silent here. I'm locking in.
going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. The feelings going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. It's always you I'm falling for, yeah. It's nothing left with you. The feelings going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
Bears are out.
Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
We're taking this short, folks. Got our trade set up for this short. Folks, it's time to run it. This looks exactly like the kind of trading plan trading we want to be doing, folks. I am okay to lose this trade. A third trade in a row, mind you. But this is the trading plan in action. Let's see what she's got in the tank. Can the bears show up and show out? We're getting some action here. We're getting some action, folks. Need the bears to stay strong. All right, we are at an hour. We've reached an hour into the trade. It's time to examine. I think we're about 700 in profit as it stands right now. Lower time frames still looking bearish. That's good. $15 may try to curve up here, but money flow is deep. It's a deep cut, folks. It's a deep cut. 40-minute looks how we want it to. We're not even close to 3 a.m. for the 6 hour. Yeah, we're going to continue to let this play out. We're going to watch the 5-minute. Bulls are trying to come back on us. Yeah, we saw this on the 15-minute. The bears have to show up here, but that curvature on the 15-minute, this looks like something I'd long. The bears have to show up, like right now. Been in the trade almost 3 hours. Bears are exhausted. It might be over. Beautiful basic strategy on the 1 minute. Money flow increasing, momentum increasing. There's your trade right there. Let's see if the bulls can hold out here. I don't think, well, it's not about what I think. Are we closing candles above this yet? She's going to try and close this 5. Let's see what it does. Yep, she's closing candles. That's all it took to gas the bears, huh? Well, they've been chomping away for a while. This is some beautiful bullish action. She almost took us out. We might have to switch to long here. You know, I didn't want to move. When after about an hour we was in the trade, I thought about moving to break even, and it had just stopped us out here at a break even. Yeah, it had been an hour or two. The risk was fairly high because of this bullish retracement here. Can she continue? Yeah. Yeah, I think she will. Let's see if we can get her to pull back so we can get out of this trade and go long. All right. She's going to stop us out here. Man, that looks crazy bullish. $21.77. Looked at a damn. Let me get this dang screenshot. Did I just do it? I just did it. Not the worst trade, folks. Not the worst trade. Let's go ahead and play it out here. All right. I'm not going to take a long because we're in the middle of this chop.
You know, life is like trick or treat, and that's all.
Back to negative 5,000. NQ has us on a ride, folks. On a ride. 54 minutes. All right, we're there.
advice. Just hold your shit together, and you will be fine. You know, life is like trick or treat, and that's all.
Piece of shit. It's doing that bullish on the high time frames and then just going bullish to bearish on the mid time frames. You know, just that ranging bullshit. Watch it bounce here. Shit. All right, it's already up there. It's tempting. Mid to high looks like shit though. For a long, I mean, real green RSI action. Pumped like a madman. Maybe it's just cooling off and she's gonna rip again. Four hours seems to think so. 8 hours kind of curvy. 6 hours changing its mind. Yeah, I like this. Yep. I think she gets out of here. The right thing to do is to wait for the breakout above here. Long. Then it's got to get through there. I mean, you start drawing enough of these and you'll never take a trade. There's some bull flag type stuff. $40 minutes. Shit. But the RSIs though. Look at that 20-minute VWAP. Folks, this is going to be pretty bad if I fuck this up, but I got to take her. I got to take it. 153.25. supposed to be at 153. So I'm gonna move it forward, but I'm gonna go back. All right, look, I'm committed to take this long. First of all, I'm taking it. I just need to get it to 153. Okay, there we go. Sometimes this thing will be a couple minutes ahead to get it. I don't know why it does it what it does. All right, I don't know what to tell you. What do I know? I mean, we gotta have a little more defense. This is some bull. Not that much damn defense. You know, we're gonna have to let her breathe a little bit on this one. I don't know what to tell you. She's got to breathe. And she's got to get above this damn thing and close a freaking candle. Oh yeah, we're past 4 a.m. now. We can actually go see what this 6 hour is doing. Yeah, I think the 6 hour can get there. Yeah. All right, folks. I'll get a screenshot of all this stuff. Just we're gonna do the 2 hour. The 40 I know looks like crap. It's unfortunate. Let me do it now. If I lose this trade, I do not want to even look at this crap. I mean, the plan says to trade it. You know, I'm just doing what the plan says, folks. You see this? Bullish. You know, money flows coming up. Bullish. This is an entry. She's about to pump, but can she pump strong enough? 6 hour is bearish still, but I mean, she looks like she's pulling up. And we think the 4 hour is going to do that. That's why we're in this. The 8 hour looks like she's pulling up. I mean, we're RSIs high and tight. I'm not just making this shit up here. The 2 hour does not have our back. Oh shit. I'm making it all up. Making it all up, folks. Oh, that doesn't go there. It's supposed to go in the the last one. At least the 15-minute has some hope. Goodness gracious, man. Trading like a damn just kind of going on a little bit of instinct here, you know, a little bit. Beautiful anchor on the 15. Beautiful trigger. Money flow increasing. Tight RSIs. RSIs are green. I mean, you know. What do you want from me? We're entering off our multiple anchor waves, expecting a pump and pull back, hoping for a nice trigger to form and for bulls to hold the line. You know, that's what we want here. All right, folks. Let's see what she's got for us. We're going to play it. And we're about to get stopped out. Come on. There's that 5-minute trigger. That's what we want. Can she do it? Doesn't look like it. Yeah, we got hosed up. This might actually be the dumbest trade I've ever taken. All right, we're an hour in. Gonna extend it. Keep it going. We're getting that 5-minute trigger we wanted to see. Beautiful RSIs. Better than before, actually. 15 has got some hope. Can the 40? The 40 showing signs of life. Could it be? Could it be, folks? Now look, we got in early. The expectation is that we close candles here and she doesn't just get up there and then just come back down and ruin our day. We got in here right now early because I believe the potential for her to close candles outside of this triangle is pretty good. We've been in this kind of bullish flag zone. We have these sweeps. These are lower lows. Don't tell nobody. But, you know, I think a pump is something that could very well happen right here and now. We're going to fade this bear trend. Or we're not. And it's going to be a very unfortunate session. Whoa. Oh. I mean, come on, folks. That's what Mans wants to see. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, let me not talk much shit. Man, I'm reading these charts. I'm reading these charts. Get off of me. Even if this thing came right back down and we took a loss in the next 5 minutes, even if that happens, I'm reading these charts with MarketCipher. MarketCipher is not the problem, folks. My ability to read MarketCipher is not the problem, folks. We were $700 up in the short. I didn't take profit because I needed her to move a little more with conviction. Folks, over here, guess what time this is? 5:30 a.m. The New York session just opened up. You think the New York session's gonna pump it or dump it? MarketCipher says pump it. And we're gonna go with that until it shows otherwise. I don't know what else to tell you, folks. I don't know what else to tell you. But I'm staying in this trade. Now I will move my stop loss unfortunately, to the bottom of this candle. We're going to risk $800. We'll risk $800. We got to see what she does next. She's got to get above that green resistance. Come on, yeah, bounce off the blue, baby. Do what we predicted. No, the bears are upset about this, folks. They're not happy. They're not happy when I'm right. They don't like when I'm right. I should have took profit. I should have took profit. Oh, I should have took profit. Four hours still there. 4 hour is still there. This thing is still alive. Come on now. You didn't come all this way. You didn't pump that just to dump it, did you? Stupid. Piche Huelo. Yeah. Yeah. I am greedy. No, it's not. Man, I'm not taking profit, folks. I'm not taking my profit. It clearly was at my take profit. How much profit did I take? Somebody tell me. 0. That's how much. That's how much. You know why? Because man saw this green candle, the size of the Eiffel Tower. And, you know, am I wrong to think that she would continue? Is it wrong of me to have that expectation, folks? 705. I tell you what is wrong. Not sticking to the trading plan. What does the trading plan say? Yo, I tell you, folks, it's as simple as sticking to the plan. But do you see why that's so difficult? Because the greed, you just think this is the one, and you tell yourself 100 times, I'm going to trade the plan. And then as soon as the market does something amazing, you think to yourself, what plan? Take profit after strong moves. This candle that just took off like that's a strong move, followed by 2 other candles pushing us right to our take profit zone. Take profit at key zones, take profit after strong moves. Hello. Did we take any profit at all? 0. I can't believe. I just can't. If we didn't have this trading plan and we weren't journaling, you know, stuff like that, this is what happens. And then we tell ourselves, oh, you know, it's the market. Oh, they traded against me or whatever, right? And it's like, no, price did exactly what it needed to. And according to your plan, you would have made some money, but you didn't trade the plan. There's nothing wrong with the strategy. There's nothing wrong with the market. You didn't trade the plan. I sat here and watched and you know what? Good. I'm glad this thing came down and stopped me out and I took a bigger loss, because if it would have kept going up, that would have reinforced the idea that it's okay to not stick to the plan. Folks, it's never okay to not stick to the plan. I'm literally talking about this and posting about this every day. Unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. 7:05 a.m. In the trade for 3 hours, $4,000 in the profit, and we gave it all back and gave the market some more of our money on top of it. We were 4,000 up and we let it retrace $5,000 without taking any profit. This is not the way. This is what not to do. This is how you blow your prop firm accounts. This is how you end up losing all of your money in the markets. This is how you end up year after year trading like the same degenerate bozo that you use affirmations every day to convince yourself that you are not. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate the world has to see this. But, folks, this is what you look like when you do the same thing. This is how ridiculous it looks like. This is crazy. I don't even want to rewatch this stream. I've rewatched all my streams. I don't want to rewatch this one. I'm going to, but it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt. It's going to hurt, folks. You just cannot afford to not stick to the plan. It's crazy. I'm just beside myself right now. This is insane. 7:05 a.m. And now I can't take another trade now. Okay, and then I moved my stop below the 5-minute candle. Yeah. Where am I going? 7:00. Well, what time really? Seven 10. Gosh. Oh dear. Well, that's it for that session, folks. We are now in the red, 5,700. It is unfortunate, especially when we had such a beautiful trade. I mean, that was, we were dang near 4,000 in profit, at least 3,500, at least 3,500. And, yeah, we'll say 30, 32. Oh, wait, no, that's not where we got in. We got in here. Yeah, we had plenty of time here to take the profit. And let's say 70, 1,400, 2,800. Okay, so we was 2,800. We were 2,800 into profit. Take half, that'd have been 14. Set the stop to break even. We would have been, it would have gave us back our previous trade. Still been in the red about 3,500, but Lord have mercy. Now we're in the red 5,700. It don't do me any good. I got to get away from this thing. Worst thing I can do is take another trade. What did we have here? We did not really have mid time frame alignment until later. I don't even know if we had that. Stopped out. No mid time frame support. Didn't ace a damn thing. Yeah. Wait, mistakes. No partial taken. Yeah, mistake. All right, there it is. Man, all I know, look at that. Hit the resistance at zero, at break even. Like, are you kidding me right now? And look, we got here because why? The first time we didn't obey our trading plan. Then we obeyed our trading plan, dug ourselves out. And then what happened? Well, these two, this was an all right loss. I think these next two were kind of like forced, but they had potential. But this, from here to here, this should have curved back up. This should be curving back up. And it's not, because we didn't stick to the plan. And yeah, folks, the 100 trade backtesting challenge, this is what it's about. And this is actually going to be beneficial down the road. I mean, look, our winners are still more than our losers. That's good. That's a good sign. It means we're at least obeying our stop losses. We're not like, there you go. There's something to make me feel a little bit better right now. We aren't moving our stop losses deeper and accepting more risk. At least we are accepting the fact that if it hits our stop loss, we're out. That's very important. I didn't used to do that, and that's been an improvement. I think the biggest problem I have right now is taking profit. I don't want to take profit. It looks like it's going to keep going, and it keeps reversing, even when it looks like it's got a beautiful trajectory. The bulls step in or the bears step in, and they just hammer it or stampede it. And look, it's not MarketCipher, folks. MarketCipher is doing what MarketCipher does. We saw this on the 40-minute. The 40 minutes chopped as heck. Look at this. And we took the long right here. And, we were just kind of banking on this money flow getting up there. But if you look, the money flow's curved inwardly. So, it was a very high risk long that we longed because of what we saw here on the 15. Beautiful VWAP, tight RSIs, trigger wave after an anchor. I mean, this is the makings of a pump. And we got the pump. And then the 40-minute said, your pump is over. It ain't that serious. Mid time frames not aligned. Alert, alert. So, I deserve this 100%. This was a great trade. Look at that curvature on the 5-minute. Beautiful. Wham. 15-minute pumped it. And then the 40-minute dumped it. At the lines we drew. I mean, you can't make this stuff up, dude. Look. Dump. 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 Pump. Oh, I don't want to take profits. Okay. That's it, folks. That's it for today. End of stream. You'll have to find out what happens the next time CMZ tries to stick to his trading plan.